The battle for the high-performance Middle European winter tire segment heats up. On one side, the Continental WinterContact TS 870P, a reigning champion renowned for precision and versatility. On the other, the all-new Pirelli P Zero Winter 2, boasting cutting-edge technology and dynamic performance. Let's find out if the challenger can dethrone the champion. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental WinterContact TS 870P set as the reference point at 100%. When it comes to wet conditions, precision is key. In wet braking, the Pirelli P Zero Winter 2 edges ahead, stopping 0.22 meters shorter than the Continental. It also completes the wet handling lap 2.57 seconds faster, delivering a quicker and more responsive drive. However, the Continental fights back in straight-line aquaplaning, holding its grip at 72.8 km per hour compared to the Pirelli's 72 km per hour. On snow, the stakes are even higher. In snow braking, the P Zero Winter 2 stops 0.78 meters shorter, while in snow traction, it accelerates 0.37 seconds quicker. The trend continues in snow handling, where it completes the lap 1.77 seconds faster. When it comes to ice, every centimeter counts. In ice braking, the P Zero Winter 2 excels, stopping 1.62 meters shorter than the Continental. It also pulls ahead in ice traction, accelerating 0.82 seconds faster. However, the Continental holds its ground in other areas, showcasing consistent performance. Dry roads demand agility and stability. Here, the P Zero Winter 2 stops 0.76 meters shorter in dry braking and completes the lap 1.17 seconds quicker. It also delivers sharper handling and better driver engagement, making it the clear winner on dry tarmac. In terms of comfort and efficiency, the WinterContact TS 870P takes the lead with perfect comfort score of 10 and lower rolling resistance at a coefficient value of 8.69 compared to Pirelli's 8.95, ensuring better fuel efficiency. However, the P Zero Winter 2 counters with quieter road noise with a 0.9 decibels less noise versus the Continental. So, which tire takes the crown? While the Continental WinterContact TS 870P excels in comfort and efficiency, the Pirelli P Zero Winter 2 dominates where it matters most: wet, snow, ice, and dry performance. It's a high-performance tire built for drivers who demand nothing but the best this winter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.